Here you can easily see how it was before. The water just comes down, hill down, and disappears. It goes fast downhill. You see it here. And this is what we changed. This is how you harvest the water. You see already that the water comes down from the road. We catch it, we send it to the side of the road. We try to irrigate this direction. It comes in here. It gets the time to slow down. If this one is full, so we have already one on top. Then we have a second one over here, the third one over here. If this one is full, then the water goes in here. You see, in here, then it goes underneath the road, goes to the other side of the valley, and in that valley we already made a lot of other swales, I think around 10 or more, and that also every time it slows down the water, goes further on, slows down the water, goes further on. The purpose is not that you want to keep all the water on your land, because full is full. If your soil has enough water, then it's also necessary that the water can flow to the, for example, the river that we have down from our land, and that feeds another river and like that. So it is, everything in nature is like going in a circle, and it's a circular movement, and this is also. So you want to slow it down so it gets the time to sink in, but all what you don't need has to go further on to another part of nature that also need that water. So it is in a circle. Before we did these kind of things, here was nothing. There was not even grass growing here. So now you see what this simple thing does to nature. What we do on a rainy day, then we are outside, just looking where is the water going, where is it flowing. Like for example here, you see that the water is coming over the streets, and normally it would go downwards. We do with a little hacker, we make here a shortcut, so we rearrange the waterway, and then it goes in here. So normally when it rains, you are outside looking, where's the water going, where can I help it to go in the direction where you want to have the water.